yung pong ugaling Pilipino. Pagka nagkakasama-sama, picture-picture, koda-koda. Ano ba't pagbati po, kay Most Reverend Oscar Isolis, Auxiliary Bishop, Consul General Marijo Aragon, and other officials of our Philippine Consulate, Reverend Father Albert Avenido, and other priests and celebrants. Congressman Dodo Mandanas of Batangas, leaders and members of the Philippine organizations, official members of my delegation, namely Senator Keith Takag, Ambassador Joe Lusada, Professor Tom Lopez, Prohibing President Lelen Bergrabe, and Vice President Alex Aguilar, my family members, yung aking pong mga kasing, sino po ba po sila? Yung pong aking kasing team. Pangalawa, yung pong kasing tangkad. At yung pangatlo po ay yung aking kasing tanda. My brothers and sisters in the Alpha Phi Omega, my classmates at the University of the Philippines, kung kailan, kung meron pong itanong, mga minamahal po mga kababayan, ladies and gentlemen, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I'm honored to be with you tonight. The officers and staff of the Philippine Consulate General, the Filipino clergy in the Archdiocese of Los Angeles, and the Filipino-American community on this extended celebration of the 130th anniversary of Philippine independence. It is most appropriate that we celebrate this occasion with the holy sacrifice of the Mass, where our Filipino-American community will all come together and worship, for not only are we a predominantly Christian nation, we are also